Hi, my name is Prakash Lokumal Darwani. I stay in Thane. I'm working in a bank as a deputy vice president. We bought first plot here in 2015, and thereafter we started constructing our bungalow through Ishiana Buildcon, Mr. Sachin Baldoda and Mr. Naidu. They were very helpful. The architect was Mr. Joy Jinu. While constructing this bungalow, they were very helpful and guiding. They gave all sorts of support in understanding how the bungalow should look or how it should come out well. So overall, their assistance was very good, and we didn't find or didn't face any difficulty when the construction was going on. Though this bungalow got completed in the month of 2019, and in the year 2019, and in March 2019 we got the possession, and we had a small housewarming puja also. So overall, very good experience. From the time we have taken the possession of this bungalow, it has been very nice staying here. I mean, weather has been very fantastic. Particularly monsoon is like you feel like staying here forever. Otherwise, also the weather is very good. The people around, the staff of Shri Venkatesh Nagar, or rather Mr. Goti, I will definitely name his. He has been very supportive, and Mr. Sandeep Botra, even Mr. Shingal or Mr. Badange, they have been of very good help. Even Mr. Badange has told us that whenever you want, he has given that liberty of calling him at any point of time for any assistance. So the experience has been very fantastic. We like staying here. It is definitely a home away from hustle bustle, in the lap of nature. Experiences all time have been very good, but I will list out one amongst the rest. It was my friends had come for a small party I had arranged, but that arrangement, everything was supported by Mr. Sandeep Botra, which was definitely beyond expectations. It was a very short notice given to him, and he arranged everything. Everything means everything which a party requires, be it mattresses or be it towels, soaps for my friends who had come, or any other thing which was required. I mean, you can say our infrastructure, everything was arranged by Sandeep Botra. So he has been very helpful at all the times. So that was the best experience I can share. Uh, Buying a home in Shri Venkatesh Nagar, it's like a dream come true for me at least. So I have recommended many of my friends. One or two of them had come also. They have visited, and they are in the negotiation of buying a plot and then further constructing the bungalows. But definitely recommending, yes, we will. I will recommend, and I have been recommending also. So it is a good place to stay here, have a house here. About services, definitely no complaint. I mean, we are always satisfied. Be it take it from security. Security is very good here. I mean, you don't have to have any kind of fear. They are round the clock available here. They keep giving rounds. They keep coming here, and I mean, every security person who is coming here, he is asking, सर मैडम कुछ तकलीफ है आपको तो प्लीज़ बताइए, हमारा ये फ़ोन नंबर है, हमारे मेन गेट का फ़ोन नंबर. They provide all available numbers, and as far as the support from restaurant or store, particularly during this lockdown period, they have been very helpful and supportive. Outside there are quite a few restrictions, so they have done arrangement, rather they have provided everything which is available in stores. We can go and buy for our daily consumption or use. So services are no doubt above par. यहाँ पे रहना अच्छा लग रहा है, particularly ये जो कोविड टाइम है, I mean, बोल रहे हैं कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, बट ये एक्चुअली फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग होना चाहिए, जो यहाँ पे आने के बाद हमको बराबर एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है कि हाँ, यहाँ पे दो काफ़ी बंगलोज हैं, काफ़ी लोग यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, बट स्टिल आई फाइंड द फिजिकल डिस्टेंस इज बीइंग मेंटेन्ड प्रॉपरली. I mean, we have quite a big road here. We can go for a walk morning, evening. We can do exercise, and it is in the lap of nature. So there is no pollution at all. Pollution free. You can live here happily. Hope and I understand, or rather, COVID has not yet entered in this area. So I pray to God that you should not enter in this area. About taking care of our bungalow, or you can say the garden, I mean, it is being taken care of properly well by Mr. Suresh and his people. Watering the garden or watering the plants, or rather doing all maintenance of the garden. It's being done very well. Though the charges are on a higher side, but it is okay. You have to pay for the services which you get. So overall, it is satisfactory. See, about infrastructure, I would say, though electricity is a problem, but that is a problem from outside by the MSCDCL. But within the complex, within this Shri Venkatesh Nagar, the people are very supportive. One night we saw for 2 consecutive days there was no electricity, and our inverter also got discharged fully. But then and there was a major fault. Transformer had got burst, and the repairing was taking too much time. They called MSCDCL people and arranged, and they assured also, okay, by 1 o'clock in the night or maybe 1:30 the electricity will be restored, and that happened. Their assurances, they kept their promises. So I must say, people are very supportive here. At times they don't go home also when it comes to giving services or to solve any particular problem. So people here are very, very supportive. I appreciate them, and I thank everyone here who comes and supports us, or rather provides any kind of assistance. Thank you.
The place is very positive. There are more good, bad, negative बहुत ही कम है. एक आध पॉइंट, हम बॉम्बे वाले आते हैं ना यहाँ, तो वी डोंट ट्रस्ट पीपल. हमारे बॉम्बे वालों में रहता है कि पहले वी डोंट ट्रस्ट पीपल, और यहाँ पर आने के बाद सीखता है कि विश्वास, लोगों ने हम पर एकदम अच्छा विश्वास किया है, तो हम भी विश्वास अभी करते हैं सब पे. एंड अनदर थिंग इज, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पीपल, बिकॉज हम आए थे 3 दिन के तैयारी से, और वी आर स्टेइंग हियर फॉर 1.5 months, ओनली बिकॉज द पीपल अराउंड हैव बीन सपोर्टेड, फ्रॉम द वाटर टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू द फूड. लाइक आई हैव बीन एबल टू मैनेज अ किचन बिकॉज देयर इज अ गुड स्टोर हियर, and there are people who are giving food delivery for all items. One thing is that, and second thing is, in Igatpuri, generally in Igatpuri and of course in Venkatesh Nagar, I have heard people saying yes. Whatever we ask for or whatever we request for, generally in Bombay people have less time. Here people have time, they listen to you, they say yes, और they say हाँ हम कोशिश करेंगे, और बहुत मतलब ज़्यादातर वो हाँ ही हो जाता है. We had very good experience. We had our vaccination here, and our health overall, we feel, has improved. And there is a particular silence or a particular serenity. The weather had changed for the last 2-3 days. There was a cyclone outside, but over here we enjoyed the entire day. So it's been